Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this common issue or error on MacBook when you want to download a file from an application which you've downloaded from the App Store or from the internet. So I have this email here which I want to download the logo in it. So I click on the download and see whether I'll be able to download it. Okay, so I'm getting this error message that the application EasyMail does not have permission to open downloads. So basically, I've not given the permission to this application to download any file from it. Okay, so let's go straight to the settings and give permission to the EasyMail. Okay, so you click on the OK and you open the system settings. Now when you open the system settings, you search for privacy and security. You click on the privacy and security. Now you go through the list and search for full disk access. Now when you click on the full disk access, you see all the applications which you've given permission, and so far I've not given permission to none. Okay, so I have the EasyMail here. When first I installed it, I didn't see the EasyMail here, so I added it myself. So let's say I don't have the EasyMail here. Now I want to go and add it. So you go to the down part where you see the plus icon. Now when you click on the plus icon, you open with your password or your fingerprint. Now you search for the application. So I'm searching for the EasyMail. Now later, okay, so I don't want the app to close and open again, so I just click on the EasyMail and also the later. Now you see the permission is on. Now let's go and check whether I'll be able to download the logo from the email. Okay, it seems I'm not getting the error and I've been able to do what? Download the logo from the email I got. Okay, so this is common issue for Mac users when you download an app from the App Store or from the internet. When you try to download a file from it, sometimes you need to give permission to that particular app you've downloaded that you can be able to either upload or download file from it. I hope this video is helpful. See you on the next video. Peace.